Franchise India is a platform which actually gives the opportunity to the organizations like ours to quickly expand the business through franchise route. That's why we are participating in this. The show is good. Now, how many customers have come to become franchise? How many customers have come? Who are the investors? Are yet to be seen. But it is a very, very good show. I must say that. Compliments to Franchise India.
Hi, I'm Sahil Arya, and I represent World Iconic Brands as Senior Vice President. WIB is a short form of World Iconic Brands, and the company is a franchise operator. The objective is to expand. So these kind of shows will give you exposure. We are growing very well, and we get immense response from these kind of exhibitions with right kind of footfall. So definitely I would say that this year the level has grown.